Hi guys, so this is my current Nintendo Switch game collection. As you can see, I really like the Nintendo titles. And I was looking on Thingiverse, so the 3D printing file sharing site, and I came across this miniature Nintendo Switch game case. So here is one of them. And they just close up like so. And then open again, and you can grab a game cartridge and it fits right inside. And I remember seeing this in a blog like maybe 1 or even 2 years ago, and I just really fell in love with it, and I'm so glad that I found this. So I decided to print a bunch and turn my full-size like game collection into a miniature one. So to complete the look, I scanned these sleeves, so I took them out and I scanned them all individually, and then I downsized them in Photoshop and I printed them out onto this sticker paper I have. I actually did one, here is one I did earlier, this Mario Kart one, and the game is inside. Oh, no it's not, it's in my Switch. But yeah, so this is how it looks. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the rest out and stick them onto these cartridges. And then I will have a miniature Nintendo Switch game collection. I will put a link in the description to the 3D files if you want to do the same. But also if you don't want to do that, or you don't have a 3D printer or access to one, there's a bunch of people on Etsy who make these and they do them as keyrings. So you can carry a couple games around with you on your keys, or you can ask them to remove the keyring part possibly and have a similar miniature collection like mine. So I'm gonna crack on with this. Okay, so I've cut out all of the stickers. I might just trim a couple, the white bits. And then I'm gonna do the same as I did on the Mario Kart one. And I'm just gonna wrap the sticker around. Make sure I do it the right way. And then I'm just gonna go around the corners and just trim that excess bit on the curve. And then I'm gonna just repeat this process for the rest of my games. So this is my original games collection, and now here is my new miniature game collection. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. Please comment below your favourite game. My all-time favourite game on the Switch has to be Super Mario Odyssey, so this one. And right now I'm playing the SpongeBob Rehydrated game, as it only came out a couple of weeks ago. So yeah, let me know what your favourite game is, and don't forget to leave a like. And if you enjoyed watching the video, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye!